I'd like to remind the Honourable Foreign Minister or the Minister for External Affairs of India that Osama bin Laden is dead, but the butcher of Gujrat lives, and he is the Prime Minister of India. He was banned from entering this country until he became Prime Minister. This is the Prime Minister of the RSS and the Foreign Minister of the RSS. What is the RSS? The RSS draws its inspiration from Hitler's SS. The RSS, I saw yesterday that the Foreign Minister of India was with the UN Secretary General inaugurating a statue of Gandhi. But if the Foreign Minister of India was being honest, then he knows as well as I that the RSS does not believe in Gandhi, in the ideology of Gandhi, in the manifesto of Gandhi. They do not see this individual as the founder of India. They hero worship the terrorist that assassinated Gandhi. Within India, who perpetuates terrorism? Is it Pakistan? Ask the people of Gujrat.